Anyway, we're gonna go back to the reception area or sa lobby muna ng hotel. Kasi mamayang 2 o'clock pa yung check-in namin and it's 1 pa lang. So we have 1 hour to wait pa. Hindi pa kami babalik. Puntahan namin itong Casa Hian 1 Nueva Ecija. Kasi nag-aantay kami ng ride pabalik doon. Medyo malayo. It's dark. Can't even see me. Need light. Ayun. There you go. Oh no, lobat na ako. So anyway, I'll be recording mamaya ulit. Kasi lobat na yung cam. Ito yung inside niya. Merong old piano. But is this even working? Oh, it's working. Hoy! CR. Mom taking a picture. See upstairs. Kung ano meron. Medyo creepy yung place kasi sabi ko nga parang old style. Pero ayun, wala naman. Terrace lang. Wala naman. Anyway guys, I'll resume recording later kasi patayin na yung camera mamaya sin 0% na siya. So, I'll be back. Missing someone. What's up guys? So we're back at the reception area and nag-wait lang kami ng time para mag-check-in na kami. We still have 30 minutes. But guys, check this view out. Sobrang ganda. We're here in our room. 2 beds. There's the door. Bed 1, bed 2. Here's the CR. It's big, bro. It's big. Urinal and here's the door. And it's locked. Yeah, tubs, shal. And may pinto dito. Going out. Off. Whoa. Whoa, bro. Check that out. Sobrang nice, pare. So, sobrang ganda dito. 100 stars out of 100 stars. Try nyo guys. Search nyo on the internet. Las Casas, Filipinas de Acuzar. Anyway, let's go out muna. Labas muna ako. So guys, ito yung view outside the room. Yeah! Diba ang ganda? Sobrang init lang talaga. And may mga tao doon. Mga lifeguards ata yun. What's up guys? So we are currently here at the beach and we're gonna try the drone. So anyway, we'll be setting it up and time to take some shots. Guys, we're back at the beach and we just got the drone shots, and today we're gonna be shooting some b-rolls, me and my sister. And by the way, my sister starts to vlog. I'll link her channel down below. So anyway, and antayin na rin namin yung sun na bumaba para sa sunset.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Okay guys, so we just swam at the beach and we're gonna transfer to the pool para maiba. And I don't know if I could get the time lapse. I'll try my best. Kasi lilipat kami sa pool. On the other side pa yon ng beach. Pero malapit na rin yung sunset. Bumaba. I'll try my best bago bumalik dito. Sana medyo lower na yung sun. Let's look at this jeep. Kakaiba siya. There's the pool over there. There you go. So we're here at the pool and medyo konti lang yung nagsiswim. Anyway, the time lapse ko siguro yung sun since kita naman dito.